Laid off at 40? Here's what saved my life. 1 month ago, I was laid off. Senior role, more than 20 years of marketing experience, a team, a title, a life built on one paycheck, all gone. But you know what? That layoff actually saved my life. Stay with me because I'm gonna share the 10 most important layoff lessons and hacks that I've learned since getting let go at age 45. If you're in the middle of the storm, this one's for you. Number 1, skip the resume rebound rush. Don't panic apply. Give yourself this gift of pause. Instead of chasing job boards, why don't you ask yourself, is this a chance to reset? Is this a chance to reinvent? Is this a chance for a new career? Number 2, negotiate like a leader. Don't accept the first severance offer. I doubled my severance package in one confident email. You can too. Number 3, network like a ninja. It's time to make your contacts your future client list. I landed 2 consulting gigs from people that I haven't spoken to over the last few years. It's time to reach out, to reconnect, and when you do it sincerely. Number 4, start your LLC early, or you can also call it Layoff Life Cheat Code. Starting your LLC early is like planting seeds for later. Mine let me move fast before the storm actually hit. So you need to get yours now if you haven't already. Number 5, position, package, and pitch. I didn't have a deck, but I had clarity. Think about what can you offer? What are you good at? Who needs that kind of service? Get that down and you're already ahead. Number 6, ditch the ego. You're not too senior to ask for help. The moment I became vulnerable and asked for help directly, that's when the magic started to happen. Let others support you. Don't be afraid. Don't feel shame. Number 7, learn and leverage AI. If you're still afraid and you're still anti-AI, sorry to say, you're gonna be on the losing end. I've managed to launch a brand and a website in 30 days using AI tools and my marketing experience in the past. Think of it this way. If you'll be able to combine your years of experience in marketing, what you know, as well as what you can put in on the engineering prompt, that's gonna be a superpower. And that's gonna be your muscle. Number 8, say yes to City Hall. I got registered as a vendor of the City of Boston in just 2 days. There are a lot of contracts and grants out there, so don't miss that chance. Make sure that you take advantage of what's within your community. Number 9, feed your soul and feed your bookshelf. So aside from consulting your coach or probably your therapist, take this time to read more books that will feed your soul. My top recommendations are 1, Worthy by Jamie Kern Lima. 2, Let Them by Mel Robbins. 3, Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. And 4th, The Next Conversation by Jefferson Fisher. All of them life changers. And number 10, turn that pain into productive purpose. This video, it's actually my way of paying it forward. I'm launching a new podcast season that will zero in on layoff success stories. The inspiring, engaging, and aspirational stories of people who've been here in the past. And I want us to share that to the world, to give hope, to give an opportunity to realize that it's not gonna be the end of the world and there's gonna be a better life after layoff. If you're 40-ish, laid off, feeling lost, I see you, I hear you, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It's gonna be tough out there, but remember, you're not broken. You are just being redirected, and you will always be enough. Plus, this next chapter, it might be the best one yet that you've been waiting for, longing for, praying for, and manifesting. So let's talk in the comments, let's connect, and let's build something better. And if you want my free post-layoff life toolkit, go ahead and just comment layoff or DM me as well, and I'll send it to you. And if you think that this will be of value to someone, do share it with them and hit like, subscribe, and there'll be tons more that I'm gonna share with you in the coming days ahead. Thanks, everyone.